Hi everyone, Darius from DeFoo here. In today's video, we're covering why every business, no matter its size, needs strong cybersecurity policies. A lot of people think cybersecurity is just about technology, but it's also about people and processes. Having clear documented policies helps set expectations and ensures everyone in the organisation is on the same page. First, let's discuss acceptable use policy. This policy outlines how employees are allowed to use company devices and networks. For example, it should detail what websites they can access, whether personal use of company devices is allowed, and rules around software installation. It's important to include guidelines on handling sensitive information, so employees know what it is and isn't acceptable when dealing with customer data, payment information, and critical business assets. Next is the Bring Your Own Device, BYOD policy. Most businesses are allowing employees to use personal devices for work because it's convenient and cost effective. However, it introduces security risks. Your BYOD policy should set requirements for any personal devices used for work, such as requiring antivirus software, enabling encryption, and allowing the company to remotely wipe the device if it is lost or stolen. It should also specify which types of work-related data can be accessed on personal devices and which cannot. Equally important is having a cybersecurity incident response plan. Cyber attacks can happen despite your best efforts, so it is crucial to be prepared. This plan outlines the steps to take when a security breach occurs, including how to identify an incident, who to notify, how to contain the attack, and how to recover. Include a list of key contacts, both internal and external, such as IT support and legal counsel, and make sure every employee knows their role in the incident. Regularly test and update this plan to ensure it remains effective. Finally, don't forget about the data retention policy. This policy defines how long you keep certain types of data and how to securely dispose of it when it is no longer needed. Keep data indefinitely not only increases storage costs, but also your risk in case of data breach. By securely deleting unnecessary data, you reduce the amount of sensitive information that could be compromised. Regular reviews and training are vital. Your policy should be reviewed at least annually and updated as necessary to reflect new threats and business changes. Regular cybersecurity training ensures that employees are aware of their policies and understand their responsibilities. If policies aren't your thing, then we can help here at DeFoo. Drop us a message, pick up the phone, or fill in the contact form on our website, and we'll hop on a call to see how we can help. Having these policies in place creates a proactive culture of security rather than a reactive one. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos through the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page, give us a follow, and over to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and join us tomorrow as we dive into more advanced cybersecurity practices. Stay secure.